everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then I create videos for the women who wants to connect back to their divine self-worth. And if I say who wants to remember their divine self-worth, because we are never disconnected from it. You just forget. Okay, so if you are the one who wants to remember and wants to remember that how divine you are just for existing, then my channel is for you. Realizing this, I realized this pattern in me as well, that even me and most of us, we hold on to the people who did wrong to us, who was not good with us, who did wrong with us. Okay, and one thing I realized, which is the truth, that nobody can actually block what is actually meant for us. It will reach us and we will have it. Even if maybe not in this lifetime, but maybe in another lifetime, but you will have it. Nobody can take it away from you. And trust me, बोलने में ये easy लगता है, लेकिन इस चीज़ को actually embody करने में, इस energetic state में आने में time लगता है. Because most of my life I always used to feel that how they treated me, how they made me feel, how they made me believe, and they did not love me, they did not include me. So unconsciously I was always giving this power to them, this energy to them. Unconsciously I was always thinking about them and what they did to me and how they treated me. And unconsciously I was maybe always reaffirming, not maybe, most of us, we always reaffirm that if you are always thinking about how they treated you and you are always feeling or repeating the same scenario or the same thing in your mind over and over again, you are on the frequency of the victim, that they did wrong to me. And then there is this subconscious belief, if they did wrong to me, then maybe there was something wrong with me. Then maybe I was not deserving of love. Then maybe there was something wrong with me. I am not deserving of it. I was not deserving of that. And subconsciously, I will talk about myself, that often what we do, often what I used to do and what I realized about myself is that this pattern of wanting them to see my worth, this pattern of wanting them to see my value, this pattern of wanting them to see me, to see my light, this pattern of finally this pattern of them to acknowledge me, to see me, to tell me that they did wrong, कि उन्हें ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था, कि उन्हें ऐसा बिहेव नहीं करना चाहिए था. Okay, that I am deserving of love. And deep down I allowed myself to believe that however people behaved with me, whether it is my family members, whether it is my neighbor, whether it is my teachers or any friend or anyone, it is because I am or I was undeserving of love. It is because there was something wrong with me. Okay, and this made me feel like a victim, and this kept me stuck in this pattern of feeling and holding on to the anger towards these people, always holding on to the anger. Okay, like why they did this to me, why they did it, and then unconsciously always wanting them to see me, wanting them to change. I wanted to fix them. I was like waiting for them to tell me that, yeah, you are deserving of love. Now you can have it. Now you are deserving. Now you are good enough. Earlier you were not. Unconsciously I was waiting for their permission to feel that I am deserving. Okay, unconsciously, it was not conscious. Consciously I'm like, I'm deserving and this and that, but unconsciously I'm not believing that I'm deserving. I'm just replaying the same narrative in my mind over and over again. How they talked to me, how they behaved with me, this and that, blah blah blah. And all these narratives are making me feel that if all of them did this to me, if they rejected me, mocked me, did not love me, did not include me, did not praise me, did not see me, then it was my fault. It was because I was not deserving of love. It was because there was something wrong with me. It was my fault. And I was unconsciously waiting for them to change, for them to realize, for them to see my value, for them to see my worth. I was unconsciously wanting them to change. And I was also trying to fix them, trying to show them that I have this light. See the light. I am the love. Tell me that I am good. Give me the permission to receive, to feel worthy of love. Give me the permission to believe that I am deserving. I was unconsciously waiting for each one of them to realize their mistake and realize their darkness, realize their wounds, their traumas, and change it, and finally coming and telling me that they were wrong. And subconsciously I was waiting for it कि when they one day they will realize. ये consciously नहीं होता है, okay? Consciously you are like I don't I've moved on, okay, doesn't matter, and I don't care. But subconsciously सेम चीज़ें आपके माइंड में रिपीट होती रहती हैं, एंड यू based on this you also attract similar energies in your life because you have not resolved whatever you had with that energy. You are still holding on to that energy. You are still holding on to something with that energy. That energy has not completed, यही होगा ना, its cycle. Whatever that energy had to teach you, उसने आपको नहीं सिखाया है अभी. अगर उसने सिखा दिया होता, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द एनर्जी, ओके, बिकॉज ईच वन ऑफ अस कैरी डिफरेंट एनर्जी, ओके. सो लेट्स से इफ समबडी बिहेव्ड रॉन्गली विद यू, किसी ने आपको कुछ गलत बोला, आपके साथ कुछ गलत किया, आपको रिजेक्ट किया, आपको एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया, या फिर आपका मजाक उड़ाया, आपका मजाक बनाया, unconsciously you are still angry with that person. Unconsciously you still want to say a lot of things to that person, maybe which you were not able to say, okay. Maybe you did not feel confident at that time to speak up for yourself, or to stop that, or to actually tell that person that no, you are wrong. So you are angry with yourself, and then you are angry with that person. And because you haven't resolved it, you haven't learned something from whatever that person was trying to teach you, that specific energy and specific circumstances that energy created at that time to teach you. So you are still holding on to that energy. You are still holding on to the specific lesson or the version of that energy. You have not learned the lesson yet. And you will see that you are attracting similar looking person or the similar energy people in your life over and over again. This I have noticed. Earlier I was not aware of it, but then I always used to feel that why am I attracting the similar energy again and again in my life, even if the face is different. They used to look somewhat similar, but also they had the similar energy. And then I used to feel that why is it that I am attracting the similar energy and the similar looking people over and over again in my life, and what is it? And every time I used to see them, I used to come around them, I used to feel something. Whatever that energy made me feel, I used to feel the specific thing, the very specific thing that similar energy made me feel, जो जब भी उसने फील कराया, ठीक है, और जो भी हुआ. And because I was not aware of it, I used to get triggered. I'm like, why is it happening? Why universe is sending the same energy? I'm trying to run away. I'm trying to forget. I'm trying to not think about it. I'm trying to not think about them. I'm trying to move on. Why is it happening? Why it always happens to me? Okay, and they were horrible. Why universe will send the similar type of energy in my life when I'm trying to move on, when I'm trying to heal, which I just realized it is because uh, I did not learn the specific lesson that person or that specific energy came in my life to teach, or that specific scenario they created in my life to teach me. I'm running away from it. I'm still blaming them. I'm still angry with them. I'm still holding on to this anger towards them because I haven't resolved and learned the specific lesson yet. And till the time I will not learn the lesson, I will always be unconsciously sending negative energy towards that person. I will always be unconsciously attached to their weaknesses. I will always be unconsciously, yeah, attached to their weaknesses, to their darkness. Okay, and because I haven't resolved it, and unconsciously I'm always thinking, okay, so I am attracting the same energy in my life to create, to end the loop, to end the cycle. Universe is telling me, Priyanka, end the cycle, let them go, learn and move on to the next level. Because if you will not learn, if you will not realize, if you will not release whatever this person, this specific energy came in your life to teach you, then till then, tab tak you will not be able to upgrade. Like, it's like you are in first grade. Till the time you will not pass the exams, you will not know the answers. Okay, you will not know the meaning, or you will not understand the answers, you will not learn the lessons, you will not learn the subjects, you are not able to pass the class. You have to, if you fail, you have to give exam again and again, because you haven't learned it. Maybe आपको समझ में नहीं आया है, आपको भी पता नहीं चला है, ठीक है, आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, तो वही सेम एग्ज़ाम आपको बार बार देना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है वो चीज़। और जब तक आपको वो चीज़ समझ में नहीं आएगा, तब तक यू हैव टू गिव द एग्ज़ाम अगेन एंड अगेन. It's the same in life. Whatever that person came in your life to teach you, if you haven't learned the lesson yet, if you haven't realized it, okay, and if you haven't upgraded yourself, if I'm right, then you are stuck there. The part of you, the fragment of you, is stuck in that time, in that loop, in that scenario. You are stuck here, and in that, if you are able to understand, in this timeline this thing is still happening with you. Now it is happening in your subconscious mind. Okay, this thing is still happening to you again and again, and you are still stuck there in the loop, and you are not able to break free from this loop because you haven't learned the lesson. And the moment you will learn the lesson, you will integrate this part अगैन. बिकॉज अब आपको वहाँ पे रहने की, वहाँ पे स्टक फील करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आपने वो सीख लिया है. तो अब आपको 1 मिनट, क्योंकि आपने वो चीज़ सीख लिया है, तो आपको वहाँ पे आपका सबकॉन्शियस माइंड आपको वहाँ पे स्टक करके नहीं रखेगा, ठीक है. बिकॉज आपके 1 मिनट, बिकॉज आपके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड के लिए वो चीज़ वहाँ से रिजॉल्व हो गई है. तो एक बार अगर कोई चीज़ रिजॉल्व हो गई है, तो आपकी एनर्जी बार बार वहाँ पे फ्लो नहीं होगी. आप बार बार उसी चीज़ के बारे में नहीं सोचोगे, ठीक है. आप बार बार वहीं पे वो चीज़ आपको अब ट्रिगर नहीं करेगी FI से, क्योंकि आपने सीख लिया है. अब आपको वो सेम चीज़ डराएगी नहीं, अब आपको उससे डर नहीं लगेगा, अब आपको वो टैकल करना आता है, क्योंकि आपने सीख लिया है. इट्स लाइक सेम जैसे आप स्कूल में सीखते हो ना, वैसे लाइफ में भी है. आपने वो चीज़ सीख लिया है तो आपको उस चीज़ से अब आपको वो टैकल करना आता है, आपको उस चीज़ के बारे में पता है, तो वो चीज़ आपको ट्रिगर नहीं करेगी, उस चीज़ से आपको डर नहीं लगेगा, उस चीज़ से आपको ऐसा फील नहीं होगा कि यार मुझे ये नहीं आता, मेरे साथ ये होना नहीं चाहिए, मैं क्या करूँ, उसने गलत किया. नाउ यू नो, you have all the cards, you know. 1 minute. So same thing was happening to me. I was stuck there, and trust me, I used to get the dreams of those people and I never realized. And these type of people, the similar energy people, were coming in my life because universe wanted me to end this loop. कि प्रियंका इस एग्ज़ाम से पास हो जाओ और दूसरे एग्ज़ाम की तरफ चलो, वहीं पे स्टक हो तुम. द पार्ट ऑफ यू इज स्टिल स्टक देयर. ओके, सो या the main lesson is often we hold on to the anger. ओके कि उसने मुझे क्यों नहीं समझा, उसने मेरे साथ ऐसे ट्रीट क्यों किया, उसने मुझे ऐसा क्यों बोला, उसने मेरा मजाक क्यों बनाया, उसने मुझे ह्यूमिलिएट क्यों किया, उसने मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों किया, उसने मेरे साथ वैसा क्यों किया, उसको ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था. वी होल्ड ऑन टू ऑल दीज नैरेटिव्स एंड आई टोटली अंडरस्टैंड. बिकॉज जब वो हमारे साथ हो रहा होता है तो मे बी उस टाइम पे हमें उतनी अवेयरनेस नहीं होती है, हमें नहीं पता होता है कि यार इसके अलावा भी, इसके ऊपर भी कोई चीज़ है. हम उस अवेयरनेस लेवल पे नहीं हैं, तो हमको ऐसा लगता है कि सामने वाले में ही सारी गलती है. ओके कि सामने वाला ही बहुत बुरा है, ठीक है, कि बस मेरे साथ ही ऐसा हो रहा है. सो वी होल्ड ऑन टू इट एंड I had this biggest pattern of holding on to the people. Whoever used to treat me bad na, I used to hold on to them. कि why they did this, उसने मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों किया, उसको ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था, उसको ऐसा बिहेव नहीं करना चाहिए था. I was more giving, I was more loving, I was being there for them. They did not understand. But then what I realized is that unconsciously I was waiting for each one of them to come and tell me that I am deserving of love. Unconsciously I was waiting for each one of them to realize their mistakes, to realize their darkness, to realize their faults, to realize their traumas, their wounds, which made them do this. Because unconsciously unconsciously I believe that until and unless they will tell me that I am deserving of love, unconsciously I'm waiting that until and unless they don't realize it and don't tell me that I am deserving of love, till that time I'm not able to believe and feel that I am deserving of love. So part of me is still waiting for each one of these people to finally realize that they are wrong and they did wrong, and to them to realize their mistakes, their wrongdoings, and come and tell me that they did wrong, I was right, they were horrible, and they are sorry, and then only I will start to believe that okay, whatever they said was wrong. Then only I will start to believe that whatever they thought about me was wrong. However they behaved with me was wrong. However they made me feel about myself was wrong. However they made me believe about myself was wrong. However they, whatever they perceived about me was wrong. Whatever they said about me was wrong. It's like I was waiting to believe good things about me. When they will change, when they will feel this, when they will believe this, then only I will be able to actually believe that whatever they said was wrong. It's like, मैं कैसे समझाऊँ आपको? It's like एक एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. किसी ने आपको बोला कि आप अच्छे नहीं दिखते, कि आपकी नाक ऐसी है, कि आपके लिप्स ऐसे हैं, कि आपके होठ ऐसे हैं, कि आपकी हाइट ऐसी है, कि आपके बाल ऐसे हैं. You are not deserving of sitting in this class. You don't belong to this class. You don't belong to this society. You don't deserve to sit here. You are not good. You are this, you are that. Okay? So you start to feel, okay, maybe whatever they are saying is right. Maybe I'm not good looking. Maybe I don't belong to this class. Maybe they are right. And you start to believe all these things about yourself, and you start to feel sorry for yourself. You start to feel small. You start to believe that whatever they believe about you, or however they treated you, is you. And whatever they told you about you is true, and you are exactly what they think about you, what they think of you, and how they treated you. You are exactly like how they treated you, and what they thought about you, what they made you feel. If they made you feel that you are not deserving of love because of XYZ, you start to believe that yes, I am not deserving of love because of XYZ. If they made you believe that you are not deserving of belonging because of XYZ, you start to believe it, that yes, however and for whatever reasons they made me believe that I am not deserving of love, I am not deserving of connection, I am not deserving of receiving, I am not deserving of praise, I am not deserving of being seen. It's true. And you start to believe everything and every word they told you. And you start to believe each and every narrative they had about you. And you start to believe their words. You start to believe their narratives. You start to believe that their perception of you was your truth, is your truth. Yeah, now I got it. Yeah. So you start to believe that their perception of you was the ultimate truth about you. This is called giving away the power. You gave away your power. Now you are waiting for these people to finally realize their darkness, their mistakes, and finally realize that they did wrong to you. And you want them to come and tell you that they did wrong, that whatever they told you about you was wrong. However they made you feel about you was wrong. Whatever they made you believe about you was wrong. So unconsciously you are still angry with them. You are angry, you are frustrated, okay? And you are still blaming them. You are still holding on to them. You are still playing the same scenario and same narrative in your mind over and over again. You are still feeling bad, okay? And unconsciously you are still thinking, and it gets triggered the moment you see the similar type of energy, or moment you see them, you meet them. You feel why they did this to me, why they behaved like that to me. Because unconsciously you believed that if they ghosted you, if they left you, if they stopped texting, if they broke up, okay, and if they did not love you, if they did not include you, and for whatever reason they did all these things, you feel all those reasons were right. And you hate yourself for those reasons. And you hate that why I was not enough. and you hate yourself that for whatever reasons they rejected you, or the part of you, you believe that that reason is right. Maybe if they rejected you because they feel in their mind that you are not that smart, you are not that intelligent, you are not that well spoken, you are not that maybe rich, you don't dress up like this, you don't dress up like that, or you don't speak like that, or maybe you don't have ambitions like that, like them. Then you start to believe that yes, these narratives are right. Maybe I was not deserving of the love of this person because I was not what they wanted me to be, what they expected. So they rejected me, and you start to hate yourself for not being that person, for not standing up to their expectations, and you start to hate yourself that yeah, maybe I'm ugly, that's why they did not love me. Maybe I'm short, that's why they did not love me. Maybe I'm this, I'm that. And you start to believe however they made you believe, whatever they made you believe, and however they made you feel. Are you getting it? Please comment down below if you are able to understand what I'm trying to tell you. And all these things, the deeper truth is this: you started to believe in each and every timeline where all these things were happening to you, that you are not deserving of love. This false narrative that because of all these things, you are not deserving of love. But after reaching a certain awareness level, you will start to believe that these people were just mere triggers who were bringing out your own unresolved loops, your own unresolved narratives, your own unresolved traumas, if I say. Maybe it is from this lifetime, maybe it is not even yours, maybe it is your parents, maybe it was of your parents or your ancestors. You don't even know that why it is happening. Maybe it is not yours, maybe you are not conscious about it. Okay? And the deeper truth, what I understood after all these things, after realizing all these things, that my body is holding on to the so much anger, and you are traumatizing yourself further for holding all these things in your body, and you are not even realizing, because at that time you believed that whatever they are doing, whatever they are saying is right. And because you are still waiting for them to change, for them to come, for them to realize their mistakes, you are holding on to that feeling, what they made you feel. It can be rage, it can, मैं जब भी rage बोलूँ तो आप समझ जाना कि गुस्सा है, rage होता है, हाँ, you are holding on to the rage, maybe, okay, the pain, the guilt, the suffering, any kind of negative emotions that you are holding towards that person, which you did not let go, is still sitting in your body, is still sitting in your organs, is still there in your nervous system. And when we are disconnected from our heart, because when we are child, we are not at this awareness level to believe that okay, ये बड़े लोग मेरे साथ जैसे भी बिहेव कर रहे हैं, ये इनका अनअवेयरनेस है, ये इनका लिमिटिंग बिलीफ है, ये इनकी कमी है, ये इस वजह से नहीं कर रहे क्योंकि मुझ में कोई कमी है. You are not aware of this, okay? But now you are. And trust me, I'm telling you, I've been through this, and I'm telling you that when you are disconnected from this truth, that you can be undeserving of love, you hold on to all these narratives. The truth is, you are never disconnected from love. You cannot be disconnected from love, okay? You cannot be disconnected from love ever in your life. Even if you are not able to believe, even if you forgot, even if you consciously think that you are not deserving of love because of X, Y, Z, whatever happened to you, okay? You are never disconnected from love. You just forgot. You just stopped receiving. You just stopped believing that you are deserving of love. You just stopped believing that you are love. And trust me, at this time, if everyone who did something wrong to me and who made me believe that at however that I'm not deserving of love, now I know that all those things are false. And every time they made me feel something about me and there is something bad in me, it was because they were hurting, they were in pain. एंड वो जैसे भी मुझे फील करा रहे थे, जिस तरीके से भी मुझे फील करा रहे थे, जिस तरीके और जिस वजह से भी और जिस चीज़ के लिए वो मुझे बुरा फील करा रहे थे, दे डिड नॉट रिसीव दैट. सो एवरी टाइम when somebody came in your life throughout your lifetime, okay, आप जिस भी एज के हो, and however they made you feel, and every time you believed that if they are rejecting you, if they are treating you bad, if they are saying something wrong about your looks, if they are saying something wrong about your hair, if they saying something wrong about you, if they are, however they made you feel about and believe about yourself and feel about yourself, however they made you feel undeserving of receiving love, if you are still holding on to that, if you are still believing that however they made you believe, however they made you feel is right, and that's why you are not deserving of love, because of whatever they told you, however they made you believe, and because for those reasons they did not love you, and they told you that they are not loving you because you are not this, they are not accepting you because you are not this, you are not that. Maybe they told you that we are not accepting you because you don't have curly hair, you don't have straight hair, you don't look like this, you do not have this height, you do not you are not this educated, you do not have these many degrees, you don't speak like this. So however they, for whatever reason, they mocked you, they judged you, they rejected you, they made you feel that you are not deserving of receiving love. If you're still believing, holding on to that narrative that yes, these things are true about me, this is true, whatever they told me is true, okay, it means you are still holding on to that person, you are still holding on to the emotion they you are still holding on to the emotion, and definitely it is the negative one, okay. So every time you see a similar energy people in your life, similar things get triggered. Maybe they made you feel shameful about your body, so you feel shame, and because you don't want to feel the shame, you are just trying to unconsciously, you just trying to not be around the similar energy person, okay, because you are like, I don't want to feel this, I don't want to feel this, I don't want to feel this. But until and unless you will not feel that shame, and you will not realize that that shame is not real, how they made you believe about you is not real, how they made you feel about you is not real, is not true. Maybe they made you feel shameful about your body because they are shameful about their own body. till तब तक you are still in the same timeline with the same people, with having the same conversation, repeating the same loop, repeating the same thing in your mind, because you did not learn that if they made you feel shameful, then maybe they were feeling shameful about themselves. That's what they believe about themselves. That's what how people treated them. So when I was there, they treated me the same way. Maybe they saw my light and they wanted to dim my light. So they wanted to attack me. Maybe this lesson, you did not learn this lesson. Maybe universe want you to learn this lesson. That your deservingness of love is not dependent on this person realizing his or her mistake. This person realizing the mistake and coming and telling you that I was wrong. Your body is not shameful. I was wrong. I was wounded. Now I worked on myself. Now I release you. I'm sorry. And then you will believe that okay, it was wrong. My body was not shameful. I was right. I was okay. Because you are not able to inculcate this within yourself, because you are not able to believe this. And trust me, I feel less angry towards all those people who did anything wrong with me, because I'm a kind of person, and I was a kind of person who was holding on to a lot of anger towards all those people who treated me bad. Lot of anger, because I used to believe that whatever they told me about me, however they treated me, was right. Okay. And I wanted all these people to change. I wanted all these people to realize their mistakes. I wanted all these people to finally heal their wounds and realize that they were wrong. I wanted them to heal. I wanted to heal them. I wanted their approval. I wanted their permission to free me from their allegations, okay, and their beliefs about me. And every time someone used to come and tell me that, oh, you look like this, you look like that, you can do this, you can do that, you are good at this, you are good at that, I was not able to believe, because I believed at that time that what that people told me, what that person told me about me and me not being good at XYZ is right. So now when somebody else is coming and telling me that I am good at this, I'm not able to believe, because I'm still stuck there. I still want that person to come and tell me that I am good at XYZ. And I'm still angry at that person that today if I'm not able to believe in this, it is because of that person. If उसने मेरे साथ ऐसा बिहेव नहीं किया होता, अगर इफ़ उसने मुझे ऐसा नहीं बोला होता, इफ़ उसने मेरे साथ ऐसा नहीं किया होता, तो शायद आज मुझे इस चीज़ पे बिलीव होता. लेकिन क्योंकि उसने मेरे साथ वो किया, तो इसीलिए आज मुझे इस पे बिलीव नहीं है. It means you haven't learned the lesson. 1 minute. It means universe will send you this. You will recreate the same scenario again and again and again until you will learn the lesson. And maybe the lesson was, if that person told you that you have to be good at specific subject to become the specific person, okay, and you believed it, and you are like, I'm not good at it, I don't think that I can do it. Maybe you are good at something else. But because that person told you, no, not the right example. It's like, let's say, if your teacher told you that you cannot become anything in your life because you are not good at XYZ, you started to believe, yeah, वो मुझसे बड़ी हैं, उन्होंने मुझसे ज़्यादा पढ़ाई की है, उन्होंने मुझसे ज़्यादा लाइफ जी है, तो वो जो बोल रही है वो सही है। तो अब आपको अपने दूसरे टैलेंट्स पे भी बिलीव नहीं होता। अब कोई आके अगर आपको कहता है कि यू कैन डू दिस, यू कैन बी गुड एट अदर फील्ड्स, यू आर गुड एट इट, you are not able to believe because in your mind uh, the same thing is repeating over and over again. The same teacher is still standing in your subconscious mind. You are still there in the same classroom among same students, and that teacher is telling you the same thing and you are listening to the same thing, and you are still stuck at that timeline, and you are not able to break free from that timeline. You did not learn the lesson that whatever these people are telling me is wrong. I don't need these people to realize my potential, to come and tell me that I can be good at something else also, that I am good at it. You still want their validation, you still want their approval, you still want these people to, or those people to realize your potential, your light. You still want those people to realize their mistakes. You are still stuck in that specific timeline. Now it's not about them, now it is about you, that you did not learn the lesson. You did not learn, and maybe the lesson was also that maybe they were limited, maybe they did not know anything better, maybe their mind was restricted and limited. Okay, maybe they were not like me, maybe I was different, maybe my thinking was different, maybe whatever they thought about me or told me about me was, maybe that's how they were treated, maybe that's what they think about themselves, and they were just projecting it. It was never about me, but I believed at that time that it is about me. Maybe this was the lesson that you did not learn. So, yeah, today the biggest truth that I realized is that I was born being deserving of love. And मैं जितने भी साल की हूँ अभी, till this time, whoever did whatever to me, however they treated me, whatever they told me, about each and whatever, and however they treated me, however they made me feel. It can be you are not deserving of love, attention, admiration, connection, belonging, being seen, being heard, being recognized. Okay? However they made me feel, however they treated me. Okay? And whatever they told me about me, everything was about them. It was because they were hurting. It was because they were hurt. It is because that's what they learned about themselves. It's because they were treated like this, and because they did not choose to heal it, so they unconsciously or maybe consciously, they wounded the person who was in front of them. It was never about me, and I don't have to wait for their approval, and I don't have to wait for them to finally change, and I don't have to wait for them to love me. I don't need to be loved by them. I don't have to be accepted by them. I don't have to be recognized by them. I don't have to wait for their validation. That when you will tell me that I will be successful in this, then only I will be successful. Till the time I am not able to believe in myself, because I believe whatever you told me about me and however you treated me was the ultimate truth. And this keeps you stuck in the loop. And no matter in the physical world how much you will try, you will not be able to succeed, and you will be like, why am I not able to succeed? Because you are doing from the place of this wound. And this wound is constantly telling you that you are not good, you are not good, you will not be able to do this, you will not be able to speak in front of so many people, you will not be able to make होता है ना, you will not be able to impact, you will not be able to contribute, you are not able to change anybody's life, you are not good. Because in your mind you are still giving power to those people, and you are still waiting for those people to see your light, and you are still waiting for those people to recognize your light, to recognize your value, to see your value, to see your brilliance, to see that you are different. And you are angry that they did not see it, why they did not see it. And this makes you believe that you are not deserving of receiving XYZ, that you are not deserving of receiving love. And you are stuck in this angry loop and angry cycle. And you are angry that why they did this to me, why they are behaving like this, why they are not changing, and you are just stuck. You want to change them. You are doing everything so that they will believe that, yeah, you are good at it. You can do it. You are good. You are deserving of love. But I have realized this, that I don't have to wait for anybody to change. I don't have to wait for them to validate me, to come and tell me that, Priyanka, yeah, whatever you say, and your topics are good, and your mind is good, your healing is good, your realization is good, you are different, and I think that you can be successful and you can do XYZ. I'm not waiting for them to validate me now. I'm not waiting for them to come and tell me that I am good at this. Because I have realized that I was born with this. And I was always good at it. It's just that I believed for certain period of my time that I am not good at it. Okay? I was always good at it. And you are also and you are also good at whatever you are good at. I'm just telling you and sharing you my story because maybe through my story you will be able to realize this pattern in you, and maybe you will be able to break free from this pattern. And there is this ultimate truth that the air is free for everyone. Sky is there for everyone. Earth is there for everyone. Sun is there for everyone. There is abundance of everything. Look at Mother Nature. She is giving you everything without asking anything in return. Okay, so you are already deserving in her eyes. You are already deserving of love. You are already deserving all, and you are already receiving all these things without asking for it. Right? They were not able to take away all these things from you. They cannot. These people can dim your light for these people can try to dim your light, try to overpower you, overshadow you, but trust me, there is this ultimate truth that nobody can hide the light that you carry. It's the universal truth. You will have whatever you are meant or destined, समझ में आ गया ना आपको, to have. Nobody can take it away from you. And you are born deserving of love. You are always deserving of love. Your identity is just not in the family that you are born in. Your identity is not just limited to your parents. हमारी ह्यूमन सोसाइटी में और हमें भी ऐसा लगता है कि जब तक हम अपने पेरेंट्स से एक्सेप्टेड और लव्ड फील नहीं करते तब तक हमारी हीलिंग नहीं हो सकती. बट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि दिस इज़ नॉट द अल्टीमेट ट्रुथ. If you will start to remember that you are deserving of love, and first and foremost, you are the child of the universe, you are the child of the God. Your body is created with the 5 elements, and these 5 elements belongs to the creator, to Mother Earth, to God. So first you belong to God, you belong to Mother Nature, you belong to Mother Earth. एंड उन्होंने सबको इक्वली दिया है, वो किसी में डिफ्रेंशिएट नहीं कर रही हैं, उन्हें किसी से कुछ नहीं चाहिए, ये चीज़ सबके लिए है. देन हाउ कम एनीबडी कैन कम एंड टेल यू दैट यू आर नॉट डिजर्विंग ऑफ लव? Then nobody have the right to tell you, or nobody can actually hold back what is actually meant for you. Nobody can. Maybe कुछ टाइम के लिए ब्लॉक हो सकता है, ब्लॉक कर सकते हैं, बट nobody can block for nobody can हमेशा के लिए कोई भी उस चीज़ को पकड़ के नहीं रख सकता, राइट? This realization came to me that Mother Earth gave me this body. Because of her, it is not because of my parents. Because of her, I am breathing, I am having food, I am having clothes, I have the house, I have everything. Okay, कपड़े भी अर्थ से आते हैं, ठीक है, पैसे भी अर्थ से आते हैं, वैसे ही बन के आते हैं. जो भी चीज़ है सब कुछ अर्थ से आ रहा है. किसी ना किसी चीज़ में कुछ ना कुछ एलिमेंट तो अर्थ का यूज़ हुआ है, मदर नेचर का यूज़ हुआ है. तो सोर्स मदर नेचर है, सोर्स क्रिएटर है, सोर्स गॉड है. उनके अंदर की जो प्रेरणा शक्ति है, जिसने वो थॉट भी उनको ये दिया है कि आपको ये क्रिएट करना है, वो भी गॉड है. Then who are these people to tell me that I am not deserving of love? Then who are these people to make me believe that I am not deserving of receiving everything which God created, which they are having because of God, which are not theirs? It belongs to God. It do not belongs to them. It belongs to God. And they make you feel that it belongs to them and they can only give you. And if you will not be XYZ, and then you will lose out of all these things. You will not have all these things. And this is the biggest false. This is the biggest lie. This is not the truth. Everything belongs to God. Everything belongs to Creator. There is abundance of everything. You are not asking God, आज मुझे इतना ब्रीदिंग करना है तो आज मुझे इतना ऑक्सीजन चाहिए. It is coming to you. It is there for you. And you don't have to do anything for it. You are just receiving. That's how much Mother Earth loves you. She is not differentiating between anyone. Good or evil, वो सबको एक जैसा ही दे रही हैं. So उन लोगों ने आपको जैसा भी फील कराया कि आप XYZ चीज़ों के लिए डिज़र्विंग नहीं है, या फिर आपको XYZ चीज़ें नहीं मिलेंगी, या फिर आपको XYZ चीज़ों के लिए सेक्रीफाइस करना पड़ेगा, या फिर आप XYZ चीज़ें में अच्छे नहीं हैं. एंड अगर उन्होंने आपको ये फील कराया दैट दे हैव द पावर टू actually block what from coming to you, which is not actually theirs. If you will understand deeply now, nothing belongs to anyone. Everything is created by God. किसी के अंदर की प्रेरणा शक्ति भी गॉड ने ही दी है. वो ही चाहते थे कि वो चीज़ इन्वेंट हो. Nothing belongs to anyone. Nobody have the power to come and tell you that you are not deserving of love. You are not deserving of receiving XYZ. You are not good. You are not deserving of receiving love because of XYZ. Okay? But as a human, because of our limited mind, because of our own limitations, and because we are not aware at that time, we start to believe that we are not deserving of love because how they made us feel about us and how they treated us. We start to believe that whatever narrative they told me about me, however they made me feel about me, is true, is right, and that's why I'm not receiving of love. And if I were all those things, if I had all these things, if I were that person, maybe I would have been able to receive that from that person. And you start to believe that these things are limited. And then you start to get into this lack consciousness. I've created the video on the lack mindset, and you can watch. I will link down below, and maybe इस वीडियो के एंड में भी मैं लिंक कर दूंगी, आप जाके एंड में देख सकते हैं. So in the end, I just want to give this message to each one of you is that nobody have the power to block and hold what is actually meant for you. Nobody have the power. They can make you feel like that for a certain period of time. They can make you believe that it is possible for a certain period of time. But that belief will also break. Because that was false. That's not true. Nobody can block or hold what is actually meant for you. And however they made you believe or however they made you feel will also lose its power when the time is right. Because what is not true is not true. This is not true. You were born deserving of love. Nobody have the power to hold what is meant for you. Okay? They can make you feel like that you are not deserving of receiving XYZ. They can make you feel like that you hate yourself. They can make you feel XYZ. They can clog your thinking, your mind, your judgments about yourself. But the ultimate truth is that you were always deserving of love. It was you who stopped believing because you chose to believe them more than yourself, more than God, because you disconnected from the God, from your heart, from the divine. And you believe that however and whatever these people are telling me is true. Because that's okay, you did not know anything better. But the ultimate truth is nobody have the power to block whatever is meant for you, to hold whatever is meant for you. You are deserving, born deserving of everything. You deserve everything. There is abundance of everything. There is abundance of air, sun, earth, water, everything. There is abundance of everything. And if your mind is telling that there is no abundance, that's a limiting belief that you need to work on. That's not true. So on this note, I will complete my video here, and I hope that this video helps you. On this note, I will see you all in my next video. अभी मैं बिल्कुल अलग ही दिखना स्टार्ट हो गई हूँ ना. Bye.